Hello and welcome. This is a sound called how to make a smoked meat sandwich. First thing you gotta do is you open up this smoked meat and you put it on that plate. Then after that, you put the smoked meat in the microwave. Oh. Gotta put it in for a minute 30, and we gotta let it heat up. And what we need to get is the mustard. And then we put with the egg bread. Boy, smoked meat is delicious. Now we're down to 30 seconds left. Now, we pull out the smoked meat and we put it onto the sandwich. And you put it together and voila! Here is the smoked meat sandwich. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.